Guys, in this particular session I'm going to discuss about the functions in Python. So I can say, like, whenever I say function, I can say like it's a block of code which only runs when it is called from. Also we can pass data to the functions, which are basically known as parameters, and a function can return data as a result. So here we are going to see about different types of functions, how we can use the functions here. So first one is without arguments. So here you can say, like, I have defined a function def, my function, and print hello from a function. So whenever I call this function here, so it will execute these things, and after that it prints the statement. So this is without arguments. We are defining a function. The next one is like with arguments. So with arguments we can see, so here the define def keyword, after that the function name, and we have to write the argument here. So after that, when we are going inside the function, we can print that argument, whatever value pass from the statement, from the calling statement. So here I'm calling as my function, this is my argument, so it's coming here, and whenever it's getting called, it will display the output, this one. So similarly again, this one is calling, and the third one is also calling similar way. So finally we can get the output by passing this argument to that function and printing that arguments. And next, third one is if number of arguments are unknown. So we can also use functions with unknown numbers of arguments. So here you can see, like, I'm passing 3 arguments from by executing this line, and here the number of arguments is unknown, so we can use start the argument name. So here whenever it comes, if we give 2 here, it will display the second, that last one, since it's starting from 0, right? So if we give 1 here, it will display the second one, this one. And if you give 0, then it will display the first one, this one. So after executing this thing, we can see the output is coming by executing that function with unknown numbers of arguments. And next one is we can also define function, and we can also pass arguments as a list of arguments to the function. So here we can see we have defined a list apple banana kesari. So from here we are passing that list to the functions, and here it's coming as put. So after that we are executing a for loop there. So inside the for loop we are displaying the values or the arguments that are coming from the list. So here you can see it's getting all the arguments here, this one. After that, while executing this for loop, we can see apple, banana, and cherry, these 3 values. After that, we can also return some value using some functions. So here we can see, so we are calling the functions, like defining the function here, and whatever value we are passing, we are doing it 5 times, was 5 into x. So we are returning the result. So we are calling my function 3. That means the 3 is going to the function, and after that it will return 5 into 3. This is 15, so it will returning 15 here. And also similarly for 5, it's returning 5 into 5, 25, and for 9 it's 5 into 9, 45. So we can return the values using return keyword in a function, from a function. The last one is the pass statement. So the function cannot be defined without a content, so function must have some content. So if we are trying to define a function which doesn't have any content, we can use this pass keyword. So if you use this pass keyword in a function, the error that is coming while we are defining a function without content will get removed, and we can properly execute this command. So this pass keyword is basically used for defining a function without content. So these are the basic types of different types of functions and implementation of functions in different ways. So I hope this helps you to understand about a little bit about the functions. And yeah, thank you.